Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method on Google Play in 2025. First, open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner here. From here, tap on Payment Methods, Payments and Subscription to see your current payment options and payment methods. Then click Tap Payment Methods. Here, more payment settings. This will redirect you to Google's official payment website. Now you will be redirected to paymentsgoogle.com. If prompted, verify it's you by logging in or confirming your identity. Once inside, you will see all your saved payment methods. Just tap the edit icon next to your current card to update it, or tap remove and add a new one. And that's all it takes to change your payment methods on Google Play. Super simple. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.